Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there was a beautiful and kind-hearted princess named Sophia. Sophia had long, golden hair and sparkling blue eyes that shone like the stars in the night sky. Sophia loved nothing more than helping others and making the world a better place. She spent her days visiting the villages, talking to the people, and learning about their lives. One day, while out on a walk, Sophia stumbled upon a hidden garden deep in the forest. The garden was filled with the most vibrant and exotic flowers she had ever seen. But what caught her attention was a magnificent tree with leaves that shimmered like diamonds. As she approached the tree, a soft voice whispered her name. Sophia. Sophia looked around, wondering who was speaking to her. That's when she saw a tiny fairy perched on a branch. "Who are you?" Sophia asked, her voice barely above a whisper. "I am Luna, the guardian of this garden," said the fairy. "And I have been waiting for you, Sophia." Luna told Sophia that the garden was in trouble. A wicked sorcerer had cast a spell, causing the flowers to wilt and the trees to wither. Luna needed Sophia's help to break the spell and restore the garden to its former beauty. Sophia, being the kind and brave princess she was, agreed to help. Together, they set out on a quest to gather the 3 ancient artifacts needed to break the spell. Their journey took them across enchanted rivers, through mystical forests, and over towering mountains. Along the way, they met a wise old wizard named Zephyr, who joined their quest. As they neared the sorcerer's castle, they encountered fierce dragons and tricky puzzles. But Sophia's kindness and Luna's magic helped them overcome every obstacle. Finally, they reached the sorcerer's lair, where they found the 3 artifacts, a crystal, a feather, and a tear of joy. Sophia used the artifacts to break the spell, and instantly, the garden was restored to its former glory. The flowers bloomed brighter than ever, and the trees regained their vibrancy. The creatures of the garden celebrated, and Luna thanked Sophia for her bravery and selflessness. From that day on, Sophia and Luna became the best of friends, working together to help those in need and spreading joy and beauty throughout the kingdom. And Sophia's kindness and courage inspired others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of love and compassion that touched every corner of the land.